This has been the most devastating tornado event in our state's history. The level of devastation is unlike anything I have ever seen.
I feel like my hometown, everything that I knew growing up was gone. It's just gone. I have friends that live right around the corner. They don't know where their families are.
It's horrible. It's the definition of hell on earth. People's lost everything, and it's terrible.
I know our emergency management people are out there going door to door, but there aren't any doors. A lot of this is going through the blocks and the rubble, if you can reach it, and trying to see if there are people there, dead or alive.